Drycore subfloors aren't just limited to your basement. Literally anything with a concrete floor can benefit, and most importantly, you'll help avoid damage to your floors from moisture, reduce the cold under your feet, and stop the floor in your new room from feeling hard and unforgiving when you walk on it. Let's look at some ideas. Is your garage cluttered? Or maybe it's a 2-car garage with some unused room? You can reinvent that space as a home gym, a workshop, or even an entertainment area. Drycore will give you a warmer, softer floor and a resilient support base for heavy equipment, or even a car. Without Drycore, you won't be nearly as comfortable, the room will be colder, and the surface will be harder to stand on or to be active on. How about that garden shed? Is it falling apart? Is it too damp for storage? Well, a Drycore subfloor can make that a great storage locker, even for moisture-vulnerable material like cardboard. Without it, you risk damaging all your precious stuff. And if working from home a lot, I've even seen people transform their garden sheds into a quiet, private, warm home office. It allows you to leave the house, but you're still working from home. Again, you want to make sure the space is comfortable and air quality is high by using a Drycore subfloor. There's several more space reinventions where Drycore is a simple solution. Your sunroom reno, cold storage, small rooms that can become leisure spaces to lounge or relax in. With Drycore, you can transform and protect these spaces and help keep your finished floors like new. Drycore. Don't build without it.